Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command, type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type md space backup1 then hit enter. Now execute this command carefully, type in copy space ** space backup1 then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type in copy space ** space .. and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space / fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows / system32 / config / regback then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space / exports space c : / bcd backup then hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command, type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command, type attrib space c : /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.